Okay, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Hope y'all doing well. I give y'all a few minutes to get on this live. It's going to be a very short video, quick video, but I thought it was important given the circumstances of today of LYFT going public. Now, there's been a lot of talk about this. People have been waiting for LYFT to go public for years now. Still waiting on Uber. I think Pinterest is going public. But this, in my opinion, is one of the biggest IPOs that I've seen since I've, been an adult, since probably Snapchat. Snapchat was a pretty big IPO when it came out. I bought some shares. They haven't done well. That doesn't mean they won't in the future. But this, with LYFT going public, this kind of reminds me of when Snapchat went public. So do me a favor, guys. It's going to be a quick tutorial, but when you come on, we need you to like, we need you to share, we need you to drop some comments in. This is how we boost the algorithm. Listen, I already know this stuff. You know what I mean? So we need y'all to like and share, and I need to know if this is what y'all want to see. If you want to know how to buy a share of stock in LYFT, drop a comment right now. If not, that's fine. I can go about my day. I have a few meetings to get to soon. I have a very busy schedule. I have clients to serve. So I want to know if y'all really want me to do this, if y'all really serious, because I'm getting a lot of requests about it. People saying, when are you gonna do the video? How do I buy shares? How I can LYFT? I put it on Instagram. I put it on Facebook. I put it on YouTube, and everybody's saying, I want to buy. I just don't know how to do it. So that is why I'm here to show you how easy it is to buy a share of stock in LYFT. So the first thing that you need to do, if you want to buy any stock in LYFT, you need to open a brokerage account. Now, let me say this first and foremost. I am not telling you what to do. I am not telling you to buy a share of stock in LYFT. I'm not telling you LYFT is going to make you millions of dollars. I'm not telling you that you'll even get a return on your investment. I have no idea. I just have to make this disclaimer because there are SEC rules, there are FINRA rules, and I am not licensed, nor do I want to be in the position of giving stock tips, giving stock performance, telling people to buy stock, telling people to sell a stock, telling people to tank a stock. I do not do that. I just have to say that from the beginning. Having said that, all I'm saying is if you would like to buy a share of stock in LYFT, which is your personal decision, I'm going to show you how you would go about that. Now, the first thing you need to do, which a lot of people, I guess, just didn't know, or I guess was, one of the biggest challenges, or, people, I think people just don't know or not familiar with it. You need to open a brokerage account. So this is an account that I have at TD Ameritrade. You don't have to go with TD Ameritrade. I'm not endorsing TD Ameritrade. This is just who I personally use. Now, you can use E-Trade, you can use Scottrade, you can use Vanguard, you can use Schwab, you can use T. Rowe Price, you can use Fidelity. I can go on and on and on and on. Me personally, I use TD Ameritrade. So if you want to use TD Ameritrade, you would just go to tdameritrade.com and sign up for an account. It will take you no longer than probably about 15 minutes. So you set that up. I think the minimum is maybe 50 to 100 bucks. Listen, if you get your hair done every 2 weeks, you got money to invest in the stock market. If you go out to eat once a week or twice a week or once a month, you have money to invest in the stock market. If you have money for your car note and your cable bill and all the other things that African Americans spend money on, but we have a little, very small percentage in the stock market. We have very high percentage in, buying fast food and buying sneakers and buying Jordans and iPhones and partying and stuff like that. Most of y'all going to turn up tonight. I used to turn up every single Friday. There's nothing wrong with that. I do not judge whatsoever. All I'm saying is I do not want to hear an excuse that you don't have money to invest in the stock market because you have money to invest in consumer items. So once you have your brokerage account set up, like I said, it's minimum 50 to 100 bucks. Not a lot of money minimum to get started. Once you have that, now you have the ability to buy stocks in LYFT or any other company you desire to buy in. So LYFT, the ticker symbol for LYFT is just like it's spelled, just like it is when you call for your ride. LYFT, that's LYFT, so that's LYFT. That is the ticker symbol. So ticker symbol is just what it goes by. on the stock market, and the LYFT is part of the NASDAQ exchange. I'm not going to go deep on different exchanges, the NASDAQ, the Dow, the S&P 500. I'm not going to go deep into that just for the nature of this discussion and for time's sake. But all you got to do is open your brokerage account, take you 15 minutes, put some money in, 50, 100, whatever you want, put $1,000. Once you're in, once you have your money from your bank account into your sweep account is your brokerage account. Because when you sign up for your brokerage account through TD Ameritrade or someone else, you will link your bank account. So you'll put your account number and routing number and do a direct deposit or transfer from your bank account to your brokerage account. So $100 or $200 from your bank account to your brokerage account. Now your money sits in your brokerage account and gives you the ability to trade stocks. So you go in, you go to search, and you type the symbol in, LYFT, and you'll see LYFT. You'll see LYFT. So once you see it's trading at 86.40 currently. I think it started at 72, so I guess it's going up. A lot of people are probably buying it. But you would see the price, and literally all you do is buy. Little window will pop up and it'll tell you what type of order. Limit order is if you wanted to go by a certain price. I don't recommend that because if you're a new investor, you probably won't know anything about that. So usually you want to go to market, so a market order, and then you'll buy it right at the price it's trading at as soon as you buy. And then you can put in however many shares you put in. I didn't buy mine yet. I'll probably buy a few. I don't know, maybe I'll put $200 or $300 in to buy a few shares. So I'm not going to actually buy them right now. But all you would do is put the quantity. So if you want one, if you want to spend $86 or $87 instead of going out tonight, say, hey, I'm gonna buy some shares of LYFT, just go in there. You put the quantity, you put 2, you want to put 5, whatever the case may be, you put that, and you can review the order. And then it's going to tell you, everything you're doing. You're buying 1 share of LYFT at the market order, estimated total, plus the commission fee, stuff like that. We're not going to talk about margin requirements. That can be a little bit deeper than most people know. And then you will literally go to place order. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm going to buy, I don't know, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 shares. I haven't decided exactly yet. So I'm not going to place the order right this minute, but that's literally how you do it. So if you can get on Facebook and check your notifications, if you can go in and check your bank account, if you can check your email account, it's just as easy, just like that, to buy a share of stock in LYFT. So let me know if this was helpful, y'all. This was a big request that I got on Facebook and on Instagram and on email. So, if it was helpful, let me know. Drop a comment in. If you watch this on replay, and I know a lot of y'all been busy. Y'all wanted to know what time I was going to do the video. I wasn't sure. So y'all might be busy or working or out. So do me a favor. If you watch this on replay, type replay down, type your name and where you're from, and let me know if this was helpful. I try to make it as easy as possible. I worked in the finance industry for years. I didn't want to stay in corporate America because I've seen the lack of our people understanding this vital information. So I've dedicated my life to giving information and providing value and economic resources to the African American community. So this is just part of me doing my part of showing you guys how easy it is to buy a share of stock in LYFT. It literally will take you 10 minutes. Set up your brokerage account, put your money in, figure out how many shares you can afford, go in and buy and place your order, and then you will automatically be an equity shareholder, an investor in the company that a lot of people, spend money with. A lot of people use LYFT. LYFT is, billions and billions of dollars. It changed the game as far as transportation-wise and technology. So why not? Why not be a part of that? Why not invest some money into just being a shareholder? I don't know what their dividend structure is, stuff like that, if they're going to or when they're going to pay dividends. But I say if you use LYFT all the time or occasionally, why not be an investor? Why not? It's all about having the mindset, thinking like an investor, having your mind over your money, and being financially literate. So I hope this was helpful, y'all. Drop some comments in. Let me know. You can also email me or call the business line. Everyone have a great day and a great weekend.